The Jackie LED power strip tower will keep your electric devices organized and safe. 4 different sizes offer 4 USB charging ports and between 6 and 18 outlets. It is made of fireproof material, keeping your belongings and family safe. The rotatable tower design allows you to extend and retract the 6.5-foot adjustable cord. And each layer has an independent switch to help you conserve power. This surge protector has overload protection that can be reset with the red button on the bottom, which makes it a crucial addition to just about any room in your home.
Today we are going to be taking a look at some of the awesome features of the Super Danny vertical power strip. The vertical space-saving design makes this power strip perfect for your desk, office, or just around your house for everyday use. One of the features that really sets this power strip apart from the competition is the double layer of USB power ports. Each of these comes equipped with 2.1 amps per port for 4.2 amps total. This is plenty to charge multiple devices at the same time. A 10 amp breaker switch located on the bottom of the device protects both you and your devices. PC ABS plastic makes this power strip both safer and more durable. It is fireproof, certified to UL V0 standards. One of the features that I really love that Super Danny implemented into their design is a retractable power cord. It's really easy to adjust for whatever length you need. All you have to do is spin the tower. An integrated copper structure makes so that each of the plugs will last around 10,000 times of being plugged in and out. With the 3,000 watt maximum rated capacity, this will certainly meet all of your energy needs. Let's take a look at how we got that number. By using the formula P equals UI, where P is power in watts, U is voltage, and I is the current in amps, you can quickly find how you get to 3,000 watts. If you live in a country where power is rated at 240 volts, we know that you take 240 RU and multiply it by RI, 13 amps, which gives you a total of 3,120 watts. Now, due to power loss in physics, this comes down to around 3,000 watts in reality. In the United States, where voltage is standard at 120, you end up with 1,560 watts of usable power. This is still plenty of power for most uses. The Super Danny Tower Power Strip adapts to any voltage from 110 all the way up to 240 volts, so you'll be set no matter where you live. Additional features that are included in the design are power buttons that help you to control which layers have power at the current time. Each of these have green indicator lights to help you know if they are on or off. Additionally, a handle has been incorporated into the design for your convenience. 3, 4, and 5-tiered options, the Super Danny Tower Power Strip is just what you're looking for. So don't miss out, order one today.
The Isobar 6 Ultra Premium Surge Suppressor protects computers, peripherals, electronics, appliances, and other equipment against damaging surges, spikes, and line noise. It has a UL-verified surge protection rating of 3,330 joules. The Isobar is a gold standard in surge protection with more than 18 million sold. In addition to its best-in-class surge blocking architecture, this Isobar model also includes exclusive isolated filter banks. Isolated filter banks eliminate interference between connected devices and minimize the effects of EMI and RFI noises on your equipment. With a rugged metal housing and robust internal components, the Isobar 6 Ultra is built to keep working long after other premium surge suppressors have burnt out and left your equipment exposed. It's backed by Tripp Lite's no-hassle lifetime product warranty and connected equipment insurance. So if you need the best-in-class protection that's built to last, order the gold standard, Tripp Lite's Isobar 6 Ultra.
Belkin is simplifying how people charge portable devices in any public space. The Boost Charge 8-port charging station makes powering devices convenient and accessible. This compact tabletop-mounted power solution puts an end to tripping over cords and crawling under tables. With 4 AC outlets and 4 USB charging ports, up to 8 people can connect and charge at once. Securely lock any 3 USB cables to the unit. Its ports are designed to pivot and extend, providing convenience and preventing accidental disconnection. Boost Charge 8-port charging station offers convenient charging for any portable device in any public space.